So this is a fan sensor installation video. First thing we're going to do is we're going to wrap a piece of tape around this tube and cut it to the right length. We're going to take the fan wire and we're going to wrap it around this tube for strain relief. That's the fan sensor right there. We're going to take and we're going to align our fan sensor by putting it into the tape just like this. And notice we're going to cover the wire right here. So we slide the fan sensor in, and then we take and we put the tape around this way. We pull that off. Finish taping just like that. Now you've got your fan sensor on, and then you'll probably want to take and wrap a wiring tie around this, or maybe some more tape for a strain relief right here. That's how easy it is to install the fan sensor on the Fridge Defend.